Question number 47 is a very interesting question from topic of dimensional analysis, which belongs to subject of water resources. Now in this question, it is given that in a laboratory, scientists created an artificial space which is having the value of acceleration due to gravity as 1/3 of g. The model of spillway was then constructed to scale of 1:9, that is LR is given as 1/9. If spillway is to operate in actual condition under normal influence of G, which is obvious, and rate of flow in model is asked, Q in model is asked, if Q in prototype is 1000 meter cube per second. Now instead of going by the way of mugging up, let's talk about the things conceptually. Now we know that for spillway, Froude number of model and prototype has to be same, that is V under root GD of model. It has to be same as V under root GD of prototype. So we can write it as Q upon root GD into A of model equal to Q upon root GD A of prototype, which implies L cube upon T into L square upon root G into root L. I am doing nothing, I am just splitting it into dimension, keeping G as it is. Q is written as meter cube per second, area is written as L square, also it is L cube upon T into L square into root G into root L prototype. Somewhere in the same test we saw that if we talk about TR is under root LR from Froude number. So by substituting TR as LR, QR comes out to be LR raised to power 5/2 into GR raised to power 1/2, which comes out to be 1/9 raised to power 5/2 into 1/3 raised to power 1/2, that is 0.002. This is a ratio of Q model is to Q prototype. So Q model comes out to be 0.002 into 1000, that is 2 meter cube per second. So correct answer for question number 47 is 2 meter cube per second.